Hello friends, happy new year to you all and welcome back to my channel. Alright, in today's video I'll be showing you how to mix your vitamin C night cream. All you need are just these ingredients: your body lotion, any cream of your choice, okay, and vitamin C tablets. Okay, we'll make use of just 8. Okay, this is it, vitamin C and your body lotion. Vitamin C, as far as your skin is concerned, is a potent antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals. Okay, now this vitamin C night cream is a cream you use at night, preferably on your face. Okay, you don't use it during the day, use it at night to allow it to work well for you. Now the skin benefit of vitamin C is that it is safe on the skin. It brightens, it hydrates, it helps reduce redness and even out to your skin too. That's what vitamin C does for you. It also helps fade hyperpigmentation and it reduces the appearance of under eye circle. Okay, vitamin C also helps promote collagen production and it may also prevent skin sagging. So if you always apply vitamin C on your skin, or either vitamin C supplement or vitamin C serum or vitamin C cream like this, it helps protect your skin. Okay, these are the benefits you get from using it, and it also protects your skin against sun damage. That's what vitamin C does for you, and as well helps boost wound healing. Okay, so here we go. All you have to do is smash this tablet until it's absolutely smooth. Remember, we're making use of just 8 tablets of vitamin C. If you have vitamin C powder, you can as well make 2 of that. Okay, and please, if you are stopping by for the first time, you're welcome to this big family. Do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the subscribe button. The notification bell will pop up. Hit the notification bell to enable you get updates each time a new video is uploaded on our channel. So this is it. And it's completely smooth. You can see it. You have to do it till it's absolutely smooth. If you have sunburn on your face, you can make this vitamin C cream and apply it on your face at night before going to bed. If you want a nice skin tone, you can mix your body lotion with it. Don't mix the whole bottle of your lotion. Just mix few like this, small quantity, and use it at night. While daytime you can use your normal cream. Without the vitamin C mixture. So now it's smooth. You can see. This is it. It's smooth now. You can see it. And then add to your cream and mix thoroughly. Any cream of your choice, okay? Mix everything together till it's completely smooth. If you have the vitamin C powder, you can make use of that. So this is your vitamin C cream. If you have sunburn, trust me, this is very good for you. Vitamin C helps to brighten, it hydrates the skin, and it reduces redness. If you have redness on your face or your body, just apply it there. And it also helps fade hyperpigmentation. Okay, it reduces under eye circle as well, as I rightly said, and it also promotes collagen production. Okay, friends, so that's it for the vitamin C night cream. So in my next video, I'll be sharing with you how to make a castor body wash, okay, with castor soap. This is our body wash. You want to know how we made this, then watch our next video for it. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell to enable you get update each time a new video is posted on our channel. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.